Hello, this is Dr. New. Now I'll do a video about the so-called Big Bang, as it is called. The Big Bang generally is regarded as the beginning of the universe, beginning of time, in which everything that is, time, space, energy, started from an infinitesimally small point and exploded very forcefully and rapidly to create the entire universe. This event called the Big Bang was a new idea in its time and was not always regarded well by scientists. The steady state model was the model that scientists used to believe in about the universe, that the universe basically didn't change over time. It had no beginning. And the scientist Fred Hoyle believed in the steady state theory and coined the term Big Bang as a pejorative about the new theory. But observations have borne out that something like the Big Bang did happen. There is the cosmic microwave background radiation, which closely matches what is expected to be observed if a Big Bang were to have occurred. And there's observations of isotopic abundances closely match what is predicted for primordial nucleosynthesis, that is, in the first few minutes of the Big Bang, when it was hot enough for nuclear fusion reactions to take place. Certain amounts of deuterium and lithium should have been cooked up, and helium, deuterium, lithium, and helium should have been cooked up, and observations match it. Presumably some tritium should have been cooked up as well, the second heavy isotope of hydrogen, 1 proton and 2 neutrons for a nucleus, tritium. But tritium has a half-life of about 12 years, and so any tritium that was created in the Big Bang would have long ago decayed away. So, and also galactic redshifts. Galaxies all throughout the universe are observed to be receding from us no matter which way we look, except for a few of the very close ones that are gravitationally bound, like Andromeda. And the only explanation is, of course, everything's moving apart because space is expanding. And if space is expanding, then you reverse the time backward, and the space would contract, and you would eventually arrive at a point of origin of space. Now, when you think of an explosion, the Big Bang explosion, it wasn't like an atomic bomb going off and exploding into space. It's not like there was no outside the explosion. You couldn't watch the Big Bang from outside it, unless you were God, I suppose, because there was no outside. Space itself was created with the Big Bang and unfolded as the Big Bang progressed. Now, there's some problems with the Big Bang, which are resolved. Some of the problems anyway are resolved by the inflationary model, in which the universe went through a period of extremely rapid inflation in the very first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. But And now there are some questions about the details of the Big Bang from based on observations from the James Webb Space Telescope, which was recently put up into space. But we shouldn't throw the whole Big Bang idea out entirely. Now, some people, of course, believe in the biblical literalist view that the universe was created in 6 days about 6,000 years ago. Not all Christians believe that, though. The Big Bang idea actually was first started by a Catholic priest, Georges Rimet. He was one of the first Big Bang theorists. And the Catholic Church, for its part, does accept modern science, with the caveat, of course, that you have to believe in God, and that God is the author of all things, the creator of all things. But other than that, the Church accepts modern science and does not take the creation story in Genesis to be literal. But and other Christians as well, besides Catholics, accept modern science. Well, anyway, please like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Dr. Nuke signing off.